Good morning, this is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Friday, the 6th of March. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts, and I'm not here to issue trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ctmcrypto.substack.com. It's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. All right, great. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin chart, where we've given back some of the gains that we'd made earlier this week. As I said, we're not going to get a daily buy signal here if we see a retest of the low, but we could, of course, get a weekly buy signal, which would also be a potential good fuel for a rally here. Because I am wondering if, as and when we retest these lows, which I think is likely, whether we're going to see a double bottom form and then potentially a larger rally. In terms of where we are, we made a higher high on Bitcoin, so this is looking like a conventional flag. We don't have a particularly good-looking trend line here. The only one where we've got a really nice trend line is on the Solana chart, but nonetheless, totally credible-looking flag here, and I like it. All right, looking at Solana, again, we've been giving some back. Here we do have a nice flag resistance, which I'll come to. Again, if we see a retest of the low, we could set up some okay, although not great, divergence, mainly because this has actually been a pretty weak rally. So looking at the hourly chart, nice looking flag there. You can see how nice it is on the 15-minute chart. And actually, I was chatting to my friend Matt, who trades crypto a lot the other day, and was saying that the obvious resistance was this trend line here, and well, there it is. It reversed there, looking very, very nice. And the obvious next target is obviously the flag support in the 79 area, break down through that, and we would have a target at a retest this low here at 67.65. In the short term, I was pointing out, I'll just draw it quickly. I was chatting to him yesterday, and I told him that we had a head and shoulders, which had broken down. And this is the head and shoulders. It's nice. I gave him a target at 83 for the head and shoulder pattern. Let's just check that. I didn't actually draw it. I was just doing it by eye. Okay, target's actually more like 85. So almost reached that, got down to 85.93, but obviously the main target is the trendline support, which is down in the 79 area. So watching that with interest. We are seeing on this Iran conflict, we are seeing more weakness on equities this morning. We had weakness on it yesterday, and we're also seeing a major spike on oil, which is, of course, I did a post on the bigger picture the other day talking about the possibility that oil's actually going to get back up into the 100 area and possibly might get back up into the 100 retest of the 126 high. And at the moment, well, we've broken up from the initial level bottom looking for the 100 area. And we may well go a lot higher. We don't know yet whether Iran's going to be able to keep a lid on the straightforward moves and keep it closed, but at the moment, well, it's looking promising. Okay, in terms of the Ethereum chart, again, we've given some back. Again, we made a clear higher high. Again, we have a nice looking bear flag. Not as nice as the Solana one, but still pretty decent. And waiting to see how this develops from here, but I'm watching to see how equities react from here, and if equities go down hard, chances are we will see this retest. So watching that with great interest. All right, great. Let's have a quick look at questions, of which we have none. In which case, I think that's a wrap. Everyone take care, and I'll catch you guys on Monday, and everyone have a wonderful weekend. All right, cheers.